Hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nolan, and in today's video, I have got a new upgrade for the Traxxas Slash XL5 two-wheel drive ready to run. This right here is the steering bell crank. Now, I've already opened this. You can tell it's been retaped closed. Now, when I bought my first Traxxas Slash, probably back in like 2015, I bought this because I was going to upgrade the steering. I thought this was for a four-wheel drive Slash. Doesn't actually say anywhere on it that it's for a two-wheel drive one. So I bought it online. It's a Traxxas Upgrade part, but I thought it was for a four-wheel drive Slash. Then when I went to install it, like 4 years ago, it turns out it's the wrong piece. And then when I tried to return it, it was too long after I had bought it to return it. So I had it sitting around for a long time. I debated selling it, but since I already had it opened, even though it's never been used, since I already had it open, I decided, yeah, I'll lose money on it. I said, you know what, one day if I get a two-wheel drive Slash, I'll install it on that. So this is an upgrade I probably wouldn't do otherwise unless I had this sitting around. But since I do have it sitting around and I now have a two-wheel drive Slash, we're going to install this aluminum bell crank. So here's what we need to get to. We need to mess with all this up here. I need a better light so you guys can see. So I'm going to clip this light onto my phone so you guys can see up under there a little bit better, because this is what we're replacing right up under there. And let's see, how do we get to it? Take these two out, and these two that are also right up here, which those look to be, these ones look to be 2 mil. The ones that you might be able to see up here, these are 2.5, one here and one here. Let's lift this up. There's something holding it from above. Okay, there's screws. Okay, there's screws right up under here that I'm gonna need to access, which I think I can probably get to. Those look to be 2.5s. I can get to those through the top. So that's actually what holds those down onto there. Okay. Alright. Let's see, I think these came off the top. These little bits right here, I think, came from the top. There's these little washers. I'm pretty sure that came from the top. I'm going to want to retain those. I need to work on getting the rest of this off. So what we're going to do is we're going to undo these right here, which there's a nut on this side, and there is a 2 mil on the other side. So there's a 5.5 millimeter nut on top, which is what I'm unscrewing right now. Then let's see, then we have got a 2 mil holding the steering link on. This off, guys, and this is what you're left with. No bearings or anything in this. Okay, so the new one has bearings. So there's bearings that go right through there. Probably going to want to loosen these up right here, these two right here, to make sure that there's thread lock on them real quick. Those all appear to be 2 mil. I'll probably zoom through some of this, or I'll time lapse it, or I'll just, I don't know, I'll do something. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start these through the bottom here. And tighten these up. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to dab a thread lock, but I'm going to put it down here at the bottom, right there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to tighten this. These are 2 mil. I'm back with you guys. I got these ones tightened in right here. Like I said, there's bushings on these bottom ones. Right here, there's a bushing under here and under here, and the rest is bearings on top and on the bottom. Now we can do this basically just the opposite, where, let's see, when we put this on, let me make sure I'm getting this set up properly. So, okay, so it must go like this way. Yeah. Of course, I tightened that too much, so I'm going to want to loosen it. Smidge. Now everything is free spinning, which is just how we want it. I will see you guys in another video. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, so then you'll be notified whenever I come out with new videos. So we're going to have to run this thing testing the Badland tires, and the other stuff's more aesthetic and just to make it stronger. So the aluminum parts shouldn't change anything, just make everything a little bit stronger within the steering system. Stay tuned, because we're going to have another running video on this, and then we're going to have more upgrades to come. So I will see you guys in another video. Later.